Okay, so today's question is from Todd Pitcher, and he's asking, you've inspired me to start my own YouTube channel to document my time and experience as an entrepreneur, advice and times when stuff doesn't go well. What tips would you have for a newbie like me? So thanks for watching Starting Up, the channel all about sharing tips for selling online. Make sure to subscribe. And Todd, okay, you want to start a new YouTube channel documenting your time as an entrepreneur. What advice would I give you? Most important thing, make sure you're providing value for your audience. You know, it's all well and good building a channel to document your experiences, but don't make it purely a vanity project. You want to be giving people a reason to tune into your videos. And the best reason, you know, the reason I always what I'm always trying to get through from this channel is offering people value, giving them help and advice and support. If you're just talking about yourself, people are going to get bored, they're not going to be interested, they're going to, you know, think this person is just doing this as a vanity project, why would I follow them? But if you're making content that's going to help and inspire other people, that's the best way to build an audience. So that I've found from doing this channel in the last 2 years, all of my growth has been completely organic. I'm coming up to 13,000 subscribers soon. I've never done any external promotions, any paid promotions. It's all been natural growth. And I really think and I believe from the comments I get through this channel that the reason I've grown is I also, as well as documenting my successes and failures, I try and provide tips and information for my viewers. For rule number one, provide value for your audience, give them the reason to come back. Number two, I'd say make sure you're talking about something you're passionate about. Start a channel the same way I say, and I believe you to start any business around a passion. You need a reason to pull yourself out of bed or to turn down that social activity one evening or to miss an appointment to make sure you're filming your content, you're getting your content out. You know, sometimes it'll be last minute and you're really tired and you want to just go to bed, but you need to film and upload a video. Sometimes you'll have some other things come up that sound like really interesting that you want to pursue, but you need a passion, something that's going to keep bringing you back to making your videos, to inspiring you to talk about something. And if it's something you're passionate about, you're naturally going to want to talk about it and talk about it with the world and share that opinion and your lessons with the world. So make sure you're really passionate and interested about becoming an entrepreneur and documenting that progress. And if you are starting from day one, talking around something you're passionate about, then the rest should come naturally. So start with a passion, and secondly, provide value to your audience, give them the reason to come back. I hope that's helped. Hey everyone, thanks for watching my daily question and answer series. If you've got a question for me that you're answering, feel free to message me in the comment box below on startingup.com or on my Instagram. Send me a DM and I will try and answer your questions there. This channel is all about sharing tips of selling online, so make sure to subscribe for more videos like this and also like and share this video. See ya.